Today is Thursday, 20 August. Today we learn the subject English. In English we take today grammar. In grammar we take the articles. Students, first article is A. Look at these following pictures. This is a doll. This is only one doll. So, and the pronunciation is doll. Means the first letter is and consonant. So, you should put the article A. This is the chair. This is also a consonant. So, we put the article A. This is stick. Stick is only one stick and S is an consonant. So, we put the article A. This is hen. It is a one hen and H is an consonant. So, we put here A. Plumber. So, P is also a consonant and we put here A. This is a mosquito. M is also a consonant. So, we put here A. The words doll, chair, stick, hen, plumber and mosquito are nouns. All of them begins with a consonant sound. We use A before each of them. So students, you remember one thing, the words which is begin with consonant sound, we use A before it. Then our second article is an. An. So students, here also some pictures are given. First picture is orange. Orange, the sounds begin with an vowel. So we put here an orange. X. It also sounds begin with vowel. So we put here an X. An egg. Egg is also egg is start with also vowel sound. So we put here also the article an egg. Then umbrella. Umbrella is also sound begins with vowel. So we put here an umbrella. And ice cream. Ice cream. It also sound begins with vowel. So we put here also the article an ice cream. And elephant. It is also starts with vowel. So we put here also the article an. The words orange, X, egg, umbrella, ink, pot and elephant are all nouns. All of them begin with a vowel sound. We use an before each of them. So students, remember one thing, the words which begin with an vowel sound, we use the article an before it. Okay? Students, first you open your English book and open the page number 18 using grammar. Read these sentences. First, it's an egg in the water. It goes inside a cocoon. It's a flower. Students, you see here the words or letter A and A. These are color with red. These are the articles. And here it put the before words egg, cocoon and flower. You see egg. Egg starts with sound vowel. So we put here the article an. And cocoon and flower starts with sound of consonant. So we put here the articles A. On page number 18, we use "and" before words that begin with vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. For all the words that begins with consonant sounds, we use A. Here, A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels. And the words which are begin with these vowel sounds, we use before it the article "an". And other words which start or begin with consonant sounds, we use the article "a". So here, an elephant, because elephant begins with vowel sound E, so we use here "an". And owl, it also begin with vowel sound, so we use here the article "an". A frog, a butterfly, a leaf, these three are all begin with consonant sound, so we use here the article "a". Student, you write these in your grammar notebook. Then complete this sentence with "a" or "an". First, Yash says, "Look, there is an owl." Owl is begin with the vowel sound, so we use here the article "an". Then Rani says, "It's sleeping on ... mango tree." Mango, it begins with an consonant sound, so we use here the article "a", so you write here "a". Then Yash says, "Is that ... ant? It is crying ... small stone." Here the word "ant", it also begins with vowel sound, so we use here the article "an". It is crying small stone. Small word is begin with consonant sound, so we use here the article "a". Then Rani says, "S. Look, here is ... butterfly. It is sitting on ... sunflower." Here the word butterfly and sunflower both are starts with an consonant sound, so we use here the article "a". Okay students, you should write these in your English notebook. Then Megha is helping her mother in the garden. Complete the sentences with "a" or "an". First, Megha's mother is planting a rose plant. Here the word rose starts with the sound consonant, so we use here the article "a". Second, she is using ... spade. Spade, it sounds begins with consonant, so you use here the article "a". Third, Megha fills ... pot with soil. Here the word pot, which begins with consonant sound, so we use here the article "a". Fourth, she finds ... earthworm in the soil. Here the word earthworm, it begins with vowel sound, so we use here the article "an", an. Fifth, mother puts the plant in the pot. Sixth, Megha pours water with ... can. Here can starts with consonant sound, so you use here the article "a". Student, you also write these in your English notebook. Okay students.